Hey everyone, here with our 2012 Nissan Frontier. Vehicle has 90,000 miles on it. Give you guys a quick video of it. Does come with tow package and a bed liner. Gray cloth interior. Automatic transmission. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us online at charlestonnissan.com or give us a call down at the dealership, 843-571-2810. Or come see us in person on Savannah Highway.